Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my CREGEAR 50-pack brown envelopes. I was gifted this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up and I'll show you what it looks like. This is a pack of 50 envelopes and each envelope is 5.25 inches by 7.25 inches in size, which is a great size for 5x7 cards. The envelopes are made of high quality brown craft paper that is thick and durable. The envelopes are not see-through, so other people will not be able to see what you put into the envelopes from the outside. The brown craft paper is a fairly neutral color that can go well with most other colors, so I can keep a bunch of these on hand for all kinds of purposes. I can also customize the envelopes if I wanted to by printing some designs on it, or I can even paint some designs onto it if I wanted to create a unique envelope that is different than any other common envelopes out there. The envelope has a self-adhesive strip that you can peel off to seal the envelope. I really like this feature because I don't have to deal with paper cuts on my lips or on my tongue from licking regular envelopes, and also the nasty glue taste that comes with licking the envelope. Overall, I really like the versatility of these envelopes and the ability to customize it for my own needs. If you are in the market for a heavy-duty envelope, whether to send postcards, photos, invitations for weddings, birthdays, graduations, or other events, be sure to take a look at this.